Okay, doing a video on my new car vac. The one thing I wanted to show you is how long this cord is. I have a mid-size SUV and it's plugged in up front and the cord reaches all the way back to the trunk. So no fumbling around with a charger or finding other outlets. Nice, small, compact. As you can see, some nice suction going on here. So it's getting all the loose stuff that's in the trunk. Going around to the front. Let's look at the bottom here. Yep, caught on the tire. Getting everything up. So the suction is very good. Happy with that. A couple other things that I like. We have attachments. We have the brush as well as a long angle. And both of these can either attach to the hose or they plug right into the front of the vacuum. Can't do two things at one time. Hold on a second. There we go. So the attachment just plugs right into the front of the vacuum. So now I can do my upholstery. So everything's coming up nicely. As you see, all the cat hair. Everything's coming off. You can see everything spinning around in there that's been picked up. So very nice, lightweight, easy to handle. The buttons aren't in the wrong place. They're easy to turn on and off. We've got attachments for both the upholstery and for reaching deep in to crevices, which I'll get to later. I'm not going to put that on the video. It'll be too long. The other thing I like, it also comes with a handy carry case. So when I'm done, I could just throw this back in the trunk and keep it with me. The last thing I wanted to point out that I like is the cord. For being as long as it is, it comes with this Velcro strap so that when I'm done, I can pack everything up nice and neat in my carry case, throw it in the trunk, and I'm ready for quick cleanups whenever I've got a little time.